Scott Crothers with Stifel Nicholas. We were positive on Friday. Any news coming out of Friday?
You bet. Friday the Dow was up 75 points to 26,732. Gains in industrial stocks pushed the Dow higher. The pound plunge after fears over no Brexit rose, boosting the dollar while gold fell. Long-dated treasury yields fell in tandem with those in Europe, and oil prices slightly rose in a volatile trade ahead of the OPEC meeting. So,
wow, lots going on. All right,
lots going on.
What do we hear about Sirius XM Radio?
Sirius XM Radio said it will buy Pandora in an all-stock deal valued at $3.5 billion. Pandora shareholders will receive 1.44 newly issued Sirius XM shares for each share they own. So,
wow,
$3.5 billion deal.
Wow, that's a big deal. That's interesting. All right, we'll see what that goes. Did that come out this morning, or was that over the weekend?
That came out this morning.
Wow. Oh, Sirius XM buying Pandora. What are we hearing from Dell?
Well, you don't even hear about Dell that much anymore, but Dell Technologies is exploring an initial public offering after shelving the option earlier this year. Dell is preparing to interview banks this week for underwriting roles in a potential IPO. Dell said this month that its operational cash flow soared by 45% year over year in the latest quarter to $2.6 billion.
Mm-hmm. All right. And then nicotine cigarettes. What are we hearing from them?
No, this is a big deal. Your high nicotine e-cigarettes flood the market. The Juul electronic cigarettes have become a phenomenon at U.S. high schools. Now a new wave of lower-priced Juul knockoffs are showing up at convenience stores, despite a U.S. Food and Drug Administration rule banning the sale of new e-cigarette products after August 16th without regulatory approval. So they say vaping is up eightfold since 2011.
Wow. Vaping. It's a whole other bane of my existence. All right.
Well, and I guess you can't smell it. So, you could have high school students doing it right in, the bathroom or even in the back of class. So.
Yeah, walking down the hall and everything. Yeah, no, I hear you. What do we hear from the markets today after the weekend?
Well, today the futures look down 40 right now. Global oil and gas producers, buyers, and traders are set together in Singapore for a 3-day annual APEC event. Today, the Bank of Japan will release the minutes of its policy meetings from July. And then the Federal Open Market Committee begins their 2-day meeting on interest rates tomorrow. So, a lot going on this week.
Scott Crothers, have yourself a good day. Thanks for checking in. We'll talk to you all about it tomorrow.